Hello, so today I'll be showing you how to cook dried chickpeas and make it come out really soft and fluffy. Chickpeas are not the easiest things to cook because they require lots of time and patience. It takes less time to cook if you soak it, but then again you have to soak it for 6 to 12 hours. Sometimes we just don't have that much time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook it without soaking it, so we're just going to go straight to rinsing it. Pour some cold water over your chickpeas and rinse it by rubbing it between your palms. Pass it through a strainer, then repeat the process one more time. Add your chickpeas to a pot. By the way, I'm using 4 cups of chickpeas. Add 6 to 8 cups of cold water, bring it to a rolling boil for about 10 minutes, then bring it down to a simmer for 20 minutes. Drain the water completely, add it back to your pot and place it back on the stove. By the way, I forgot to mention that I'm using a mashup of clips from one of my older videos and newer clips that I shot specifically for this video. Anyway, add 6 to 8 cups of cold water, bring it to a rolling boil for 10 minutes, then let it simmer for an hour to an hour 30 minutes depending on how soft you like it. Now if you're one of the many people who gets gas from eating legumes like chickpeas and beans, you need to stop and rinse it a couple times during the cooking process. Anyway, it's been an extra hour and 30 minutes and these chickpeas are done. Oh, by the way, the excess water I'm straining out of the cooked chickpeas is called Aquafaba. You must have seen me use it in some of my older videos. If you're planning on getting Aquafaba out of your cooked chickpeas, don't add any salt while cooking. Also, Aquafaba is a good egg replacement for vegan bacon. If you're not planning on extracting some Aquafaba from your cooked chickpeas, just add some salt during the last 15 or 20 minutes of cooking, strain it, and you're ready to serve. There you go, pillow soft chickpeas. By the way, my name is Manny. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next week.